What a good looking package. Hello and welcome to joining me for a look at this. It's a black, striking, solid looking package, and the gold writing there says HUAWEI WATCH GT5 Pro. What that means is a 46mm dial, titanium build and construction, and the black fluoroelastomer band. Of course, this being a rubberized type of strap, we're going to first kick this video off with some sporting applications. We're in the perfect place now. Let's get it on the wrist. First, quickly see what comes inside the box, shoot it onto the wrist, and then spend a bit of time getting sporty with HUAWEI's new Watch GT5 Pro. Stick around, because later on in the video, we're also going to bring in the GT5 Pro in its full titanium guise. And then we're going to take it and explore a little bit of time on the town with what has to be one of the most striking, stunning, and feature-packed fitness wearable devices anywhere on the market. The HUAWEI Watch GT5 Pro uses HUAWEI's own health wear application, and that's available both on iOS or Android across all platforms, and of course on HUAWEI's own App Store. Here you can connect to your watch, you see the battery percentage, your health monitoring, you can do the likes of ECG, arterial stiffness detection, pulse and wave, sleep motion tracking, pair your music, petal maps, set an alarm, quick responses, and a bunch more different applications. You can also go into more here, and then you get a ton of customizations thanks to a whole array and market with very, very elegant and striking looking faces, whether you want it to be sporty, elegant, or a combination of both. From sport to elegance, this is Watch GT5 by HUAWEI. One watch, unlimited possibilities.